Hello everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Dove's Craft. My name is Toady. I am Kathy's fiance. She is not here right now. She's visiting her second grandson that she was recently born. She asked me to do a YouTube for you to show you something simple and easy to do, which I'm going to show you how to do wood burning. Okay, it's easy, not really hard to do, it's safe. We're going to create something like this, but we're going to do it on this right here. Okay, what it is that you have to have two chemicals for this. You're going to have a thing called Thicket, which is a food additive that makes food thicker. Then you're going to have ammonium chloride. Okay, these two chemicals combined are not toxic. They're not going to hurt you. All it is something that you're going to put on the wood, let it dry into the wood, and you're going to burn the wood. All right. Also, you're going to need a stencil. Okay, this is what you're going to put on your wood. You're going to paint over the top of it, let it soak in. You're going to need an unfinished piece of wood. Okay, can't have nothing that's got like wax or anything on it, because if you put the stuff on it, it's not going to absorb into the wood. It's not going to burn the wood. Okay. Also, you're going to need some snippers. You're going to need a pair of pliers. You're also going to need a bowl to put your stuff in to mix it up with. Okay. Then what we're going to do is, after we get done with all this, we start burning and stuff. We're going to put if I can get them, they don't want to fly away. We're going to get some things to put on the back of the plaque so it holds it up. Okay. You're also going to need some polyurethane. So once you get done burning into the wood and everything, and you want to seal it in, you spray the polyurethane on there and it coats it in. Okay. You're also definitely going to need a heating gun. A heating gun, you will not burn into the wood without a heating gun. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and get started into this. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to mix the chemicals for the stuff that you're going to put on the wood to make it burn. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Okay, plus you're also going to need a bowl, and you're going to need a half a cup of warm water. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to dive right on into it. We're going to get 8 teaspoons of Thicket. We're going to put it in the bowl. Okay, once you're done put those 8 teaspoons in the bowl, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of ammonium chloride. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to mix the water with the 2 chemicals inside. What it's going to do is going to create a paste, like a thick paste, but you want it to be consistent. Okay? Now once you put it in there and you start stirring, it's going to look real runny, but that Thicket's going to make it real thick pretty quick. And you want to keep stirring to get all those chemicals together. See how that look? It's starting to look thick. You want to keep going until it gets thicker and thicker, so it don't want to come off your paintbrush or your spoon or something like that. Like I said, it's not hazardous. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to burn you or anything else. It's just a thing that puts on the wood and makes it wants to get back to where you can burn it. See how thick that is? That's pretty thick. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let this sit for roughly about 10 minutes, and then we're going to use it later, okay? So what you do is you take your paintbrush or your whatever you stir with, put it on top, set it aside. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to apply our stencil to our piece of wood. So you can the stencils, you can get this, you can get one cut out from like a decal place, or you can go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's and get, you can get them from there. The thicket right here and the ammonium chloride, you can buy these at Walmart or Amazon. So let's now go ahead and put the decal on the wood. Oop, I'm an old man, I gotta put glasses on. Now, does that look pretty neat so far? Wait till we get done burning it. Okay, now since we let this solution thickened up and really get real all combined, we're going to start adding that to the decal on the wood. Now when you do this, you really don't need a lot on your paintbrush to put on there, because if you do and you try to burn it, it's going to leave bubbles on there. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to get as thin as you can on there, and you're going to go in here and brush just like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to let this sit and dry for about 25 to 30 minutes so it'll get absorbed into the wood real well. Alrighty? Okay, so now since we let it dry for 25 to 30 minutes, we're going to take the decal off now. Okay, so now we got the decal pulled off. I know you can probably see it on there, but there's a lot of lettering, a lot of outlining of what I'm going to be burning. So let's go ahead and start burning it. to make it stand out a little bit better on the wood. Okay, so now since we're done burning, let's show you what the result is a little bit. I know you've seen it on my camera pointing down, but look at that right there. It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat how you can do stuff with little things that really don't hurt you or anything like that. It's simple to make. You can make decor for your kitchen. You can make like things and memorabilia from your grandchildren and stuff like that so they can keep a hold of. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to burn the outside of this to make it look a little bit better. So I'm going to do that with a blowtorch because I know how to use it. And probably you do too, but if you do, take it outside and do it outside so you won't catch nothing on fire. Okay, now since we're done burning outside, look what it looks like now. How's that look? Does that look good? Like I said, it's easy and simple to make. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install the hardware on the back of it so it's able to hang up on the wall. Okay? We're going to do that right now. Duh, gotta remember which side it is. See how simple that was to put something on the back of it to make it hang up? So now you can hang it up on the wall and nobody can see it. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of polyurethane, I'm going to spray it on it, but I'm going to go outside and do it because there's chemicals in this that you don't want to breathe in. You want to be outside. Then you go, ooh, be loopy. All right? We're going to go outside now, and I'm going to take it outside. We're going to get it done. Alrighty then, now we're done with everything. How's it look? Look, it's all nice and shiny, burnt in there. I'm not a professional, but I got it done. Alrighty, well, we really appreciate you watching Dove's Crafts. My fiance, she's an amazing woman. She knows how to do creations, and what she comes up with just astonishes me. Well, if you'd like this, please subscribe and like, and please share it with your friends and family. We really appreciate your help, and you have a wonderful day.